Welcome to Burgess Funhouse.
Come find us on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Hey guys, welcome to Burgess Funhouse. We are in Laundry Simulator and we are doing the egg hunt, and we are going to find all of these eggs in this video. Some of them spawn in random locations, so I will do my best to try to show you different ones. Alright, so the ones I have circled here, rusty egg, cheesy egg, sprinkles, rainbow, sapphire, ruby, and emerald, they all spawn on the conveyor belt at random, so it takes a long time, but they will spawn. Just look for the Easter bunny to drop them off. Alright, I'm going to show you some other potential places for some eggs as we do this as well. So right here you can see that I found the green dragon egg. Over here is a location that the egg dog can spawn. It's not here for me. I find it in another spot, but that way you can check here and maybe yours will be here. Remember, they can spawn in multiple locations throughout the map. Those would be all the ones that were not circled. The cloudy egg, camo egg, lava egg, galaxy egg, red dragon egg, starry egg, Zeus egg, airdrop egg, washing machine egg, and egg dog. Here are some other locations that you can find eggs. I think the Zeus egg can spawn up here. You can also find one up on top of the barn. There's an egg that spawns back here. A lot of times the starry egg can spawn here at nighttime, but also check here during the day in case there's a different egg. Alright, so we're going to run here. If you check on the road, an egg can spawn right there on the road. Also, if we go back behind the laundry mat, we can find some eggs. So we're going to head back there. Right, there's an egg that spawns back here. You see right here I have the galaxy egg. So that's where my galaxy egg spawned. Right, so let's go check out some more locations. So far I have 2 eggs. We have a lot to go, but that's okay. Let's keep looking. We can see some up here, and I'm going to grab those, but I'm going to check out some of the locations that she is going to show me first, just in case, and that way you guys know, since she has found her eggs in some different spots than I have found mine. So we're on top of the laundry mat. The starry egg can spawn here at nighttime, but you can also see that I have an egg up here as well, and there's one washing machine egg over there. We'll go grab that one in a second. So let's grab this one. Right. This is the red dragon egg. Alright, so we have that one. So that makes 3 for us so far. And I'm just looking around to see if I see anything else. Oh, you can't jump on the roof of the building. Good to know. Alright, so let's head over and look around. Now, right here, behind this tree, the camo egg can spawn. Mine did not spawn there. Mine spawned in the trees, and I'll show you that in just a little bit when I find mine. Mine was really tricky to find, so if you don't see one here, check my other location in the trees, and I'll show you exactly which tree to go to. Alright, it's nighttime. You can see my starry egg is not up there on the laundromat. So we're going to skip that one for now. We're going to go up here and grab this one up on top of this little building. I can't think of what these are called. Alright, so let's grab this one. This is the Zeus egg. So 4 down, we have more to find. Alright, let's head over here and let's grab the washing machine egg. I have this one in this location. However, there are other locations that you guys can find it, and I'll show you those other spots. Check the ones that we showed you at the beginning already. I know someone that found theirs up in the egg on top of the laundromat building, whereas I found a different egg in there. So you kind of just have to check around a little bit. Now you can see there's one right here in Archie's, that egg above Archie. So let's go grab that one. And let's see. We have to jump up from behind back here. Oh, and I missed. Alright, so let's get up there and grab this one. Let's see which one. Oh. So in here I have the egg dog egg. And remember, This one was somewhere else for the other girl, but now we have 6 eggs. Let's see. And you can see there's one actually up on top of the laundromat up there. So let's go grab that one. Hop back up there. And while we're up there, since it's nighttime, we'll also double check to make sure we don't see the starry egg. Definitely don't see the starry egg up here. So let's jump up. This one you kind of have to get at an angle. It's a little tricky at first, but okay, there we go. This one is the lava egg. Alright, so we're making our way. Let's keep looking. Alright, so we're heading back inside to the conveyor belt / laundry belt, whatever you want to call it, and I can see an egg rolling around here. There is the cheesy egg. Remember, there are several that spawn here that I circled at the beginning of the video, and it is all random RNG from the people who bring the clothes. There's the sapphire egg. And remember, you will see a bunny come in with the guys who bring, or the people who bring the clothes. So if you see a bunny, you know for sure one is about to spawn there. And here is the rainbow egg. So these actually came pretty fast for me. The only one that I really had trouble with and I had to wait a long time for was the sprinkles egg, which I know some people found really fast. All right, here's the ruby egg. So again, the emerald egg, the rusty egg, and the sprinkles egg also spawn right there. We'll get those in a little bit. All right, now airdrops come. You can either pay Robux to have them come, but it is not guaranteed that you will get the airdrop egg every time an airdrop comes. So I was lucky and I got it on the first try with an airdrop. Now remember, if you're in a server with someone else, there are only limited eggs that actually spawn, so you need to be quick to grab it before someone else gets it. Now my airdrop egg actually spawned in the green airdrop basket or box, whereas it might be in a different one for you. So again, make sure you grab those quickly, and that works for also the ones on the conveyor belt. If you don't get it before someone else grabs it, then you have to wait again. Alright, so here is the emerald egg. So we have a few more left. What, 4? Alright, so next we're going to do the cloud egg, and I am not very good at obbies, so my husband is going to do this one for me. It's actually not too bad. It didn't take too many tries. So you hop across this obby here, and you can see the cloud egg over there. So let's continue this obby here and go grab our cloud egg, or cloudy egg, I think it's called. And you just kind of have to hop down on top of it, so don't miss it. There we go. There is the cloudy egg. Alright, so it is nighttime, and see, my starry egg spawned right here behind the NPC here at Archie's. And remember, it can also be on top of the laundromat. It didn't show up at first when it turned night. It actually took a few minutes after nighttime came. So if it doesn't spawn right away. Alright, here is the camo egg that I said was tricky to find. It's up in this tree. So if you didn't find it in the other location, check inside this tree next to the wheel. On this suitcase is another one. You can find one on top of the fountain here, and one right here in between the trash cans. And again, right here on top of this barn are some other locations. Alright, so yay, finally my rusty egg came on the conveyor belt. You see the little bunny guy who dropped it off. So the only one we're missing now is the sprinkles egg. I'm going to show you this one right here. Here's a location that you can find an egg inside the shop under the shelf. And here is my sprinkles egg. Finally, I got them all. Yay! And you see I have my badge down there, and it tells me that I now can get my Easter basket and my limited egg washing machine. Now you get the washing machine automatically in your inventory, but you have to go grab the washing basket. So here are all my eggs, and I'm going to show you guys what the washing egg machine looks like. There we go, see? You can go to edit and put it down right there. And then it says visit Archie's Hardware for more, but that's also where you need to go and grab the Easter basket. All right, so I ran over here and clicked on baskets and scrolled over to Easter baskets. You can see the capacity. I'm going to equip that. So now there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.